Hi friends, my name is TJ. Today we're going to learn about HTML. So as you can see, this HTML tutorial is for a beginner. Alright, so we're going to start from beginning. Which tool you need for to do HTML editing? If you are the user of Windows, then you need Notepad, which you already have in your computer. If you are if you are a Mac user, then you need text editor, which is already you have in your computer. Either you can download, for Windows user you can download Notepad++, and for the Mac user you can download Code Editor. Alright, a lot of people ask a question from me like which language they have to learn for web designing. According to me, there is a lot of language which you can learn: PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other language as well. But according to me, which you need for as a beginner you have to learn is HTML. If you want to start from beginning, then you have to understand and you have to learn HTML. Okay, the two language which you need for to do a web designing is HTML and CSS. All right. Okay, what is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language or framework for labeling content record to accomplish text style shading, realistic and hyperlink impacts on world wide web page. It's like it's mostly used for content editing and for other things as well. So as you can see, I'm going to show you how you can do web designing. As you need a notepad, either you have a notepad, you can, if you're a window user, you can see I'm a window user. You either you have a notepad, you can open a notepad, either you can download notepad plus plus. I have a notepad. I'm going to show you in notepad so that you can understand it easily. Let me delete this one because I already did. Okay, so we're going to start from basic. The first thing which we need is docu type. Docu type is like which docu language we are using is HTML, as you already know. The second thing, the tag. The language which you are using is HTML. This is called open tag, and if we use oblique HTML, this is called closing tag. All right, and this we're going to do each and everything like our body of our code, body, open tag, oblique, oh sorry, oblique, body, close tag. All right, h1. H1 is like the header one, as whenever we type, whenever we write any article, or you already read books as well, whenever we write any article, that time we use the title of that article. So in the same, you can use h like a header of the article. All right, like HTML tutorial for HTML tutorial. Like for example, let's take HTML tutorial, and h1 is open tag and oblique h1 is closing. Along with this, you can use h2 as well. H2, like I'm using h2 header 2 basic, learning, basic learning H2. Alright, this is closing tag. As like this, you can use H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 as well. Now, paragraph. For paragraph, use P, as you can see over here. Find more in our web page. Find more info in our web page. Alright, like, let me close it. P. This is the basic HTML coding which we have to learn in our beginning. Let me save it in our desktop. HTML tutorial HTM. You can save it either by .htm, either HTML as well. Like you're the beginner, so I'm going to show you by HTM. Either you can save it HTML as well. Let me say .html over here. Let me save it. Alright, you can see over here, like whenever I saved it, it comes like this. Because Google Chrome is my default browser right now. Whatever the browser you have, like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or any other browser you can use, you can save it. Whenever you'll save it, you'll get the icon like this. Either if you have a Mozilla Firefox, then the icon comes in the Mozilla Firefox. So let me open it and let me show you how it's look like. Alright, you can see that HTML tutorial, basic learning, find more information in our web page. Okay, so like this is my header. This is the base, this is the header 2, and if I'll use H2, then it comes like H2 like this. Let me show you that as well. H2 is already there, I'm really sorry. If I will use S3, find info, let's take an example for this, oblique H3, close tag. Let me save it. As I already save it, let me open this. You can see this, find info. This is the header 1, header 2, header 3, paragraph. So this is your basic tutorial which you have to learn, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.